key to, kiss on. Knowledge about, knowledge of, lack of. Lecture on, about. Lesson in, on. Liability for. Limit on. Limit to. Love of, for. Market for. Marriage to. Medal for. Medicine for. Memory for. Message for. Message from. Message to. Method for. Method of. Monument to. Motive for. Name for. Name of. Necessity for. Necessity of. Need for. Be, in need of. Neglect of. Negotiations between. Negotiations for. Negotiations with. News of, about. Objection to. Obligation to. Obsession with. Obstacle to. Occasion for. Offense against. Take offense at. Operation for. Operation on. Opinion on, of, about. Opportunity for. Opportunity of. Opposition to. Order for. Outlook for. Outlook on.